guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be planning the week of the 17th through the 23rd in my catch-all planner. I did forget something. Forgot this. I'm going to be using this kit from TPC Nation, which is Sunshine number 2. It is a 2-page kit. You can no longer get this kit. I did go ahead and put the strips down. It does come, oops, I have 2 of those. I only need 1. With some foil, and I'm going to use gold foil. I have my Planner Kate weeks. I have this freebie from Planner Kate that says Payday, which I am going to be using. I do not have any more household, but I do have my Tipsy Dog design script here, as well as my Avalon and Ninth date dots. So let us just jump right on into it. I think, didn't these fit? Yeah, they do. Okay. Use a flag up here. Weeks. It's week 12. Date dots. How are y'all? Doing good. Actually, this is the last video I need to film for the week, and then I'm done, and it's only Thursday. So I am actually super, super happy about that. I mean, even next week, you'll have seen my plan with me before this one, my social media planner. It looks like I have a lot to film, but honestly, it's really not, because some of that stuff is like already filmed. I mean, it is filmed, but like, it's just, some of it just needs to be edited and scheduled, and then some of I filmed some of it, and then I had to stop filming some of it, and I just need to get back to it. So I'm really excited about that, because I'm getting it done. I do need to make an order with Tipsy Dog to grab some more scripts. I did run out of household. Thought I had another one, but I do not, which is fine. I also need to order kits for this planner because I am running real low. So I've been doing what I wanted to do and use up my kits. So there's that. I think these are all flaggy flags. Oh no, these are all flags. But if you're new around these parts, hello, welcome. This is my catch-all. This is where I keep track of everything from my daughter, myself, my husband, our household, our meals that we do on Friday. Or on Sunday, we'll sit down and make a meal plan, so I know what I am cooking for the week. And then I do try to keep track of my health, which I am happy to say that I am doing an exercise every day, or trying to. But kind of took a break, so I need to get back onto it. But that's nor here nor there. I do have some errands I gotta run this week. Oh yeah, you're feeding your babies?
Yeah.
Okay.
The babies are
Such a good mama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And mom.
Yeah, you're the mama?
Yeah, mom.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna put down some of these full boxes.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're okay.
That's so scary.
Yeah, where's your baby? Is Carmen watching the baby?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright.
This is not the last weekend, I don't think. March. I'm not quite done with that one, I guess. We do have full boxes for these guys. Thought maybe this would help. Maybe make the sun come out a little bit. This is also the first week of spring.
I found it.
Okay. Good job. You.
Oh. I see. I see what.
Do you need help putting the bottle in the mouth?
Yeah.
Okay, bring it here. I'll help.
I see what.
Just bring it in.
She was.
Let me see the bottle.
Vomits. The baby's not on babies.
Oops.
Okay.
I don't think the bottle fits in the baby's mouth. You just pretend. Okay? You just gotta pretend. Here.
The baby. Oh.
You know what? Since I'm over on this side.
Oh, I get one.
Okay. Let's just go ahead and put down a couple things. We do our laundry and we change sheets.
She's doing great.
Yeah?
She's doing great.
Okay.
Ah.
Alright, so that's all I gotta write on this side.
Okay.
And then on this side, I have a lot more to write actually. Not gonna lie.
I just going to go read in the baby.
Okay.
I'm sure.
Everything seems to happen in the beginning of the week. I do need to actually put down something on Thursday when I get to her, to the kiddo. So, I'll come back into my little book here with all of my Scripts from Black Mountain Plans. I do PR for Black Mountain Plans. You can use Amy B20 to get 20% off your order and my freebie. And I think this is all that I need. Yeah, because I do need to order some more stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put, do I want to do that? Yeah. Pretty sure I'm gonna go, I don't have grocery. Yeah, Marshall. I need to go to Walmart. Walmart run. Oh yeah, I do that, don't I? I'm going to change the wax in my wax melters. Yeah, I see, honey. I'm gonna be right with you, okay? Almost done.
Bye.
Bye. And then Monday is trash day. I'm hoping to go to Walmart on Monday. But if not, I'll go on Tuesday because I also need to lift that up and put that down. Because I need to go to we'll just do this one, the dry cleaners and pick stuff up. All right, now we're gonna move on down to her. Why not just use this last big Burks? I'm gonna put it down here because I do have something going on here. Let's see. Oh, I do have 2 left on this one. We'll use this box here, and I'm gonna throw more foil over top of it because we are gonna go to hopefully story time. If not, we're just gonna go to the library. And then I will grab you. Story time is on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'm done with you. I'm trying to use up some of this foil. Okay. Do need to look here. Yeah, he does. Okay. All right, moving down here. I'm gonna use a big box. That's not a big box. This is a big box. I'll just throw it right here. I have therapy. And then I have a check at 10 a.m. Okay, I'm gonna open this guy. And then I'm going to grab these 2 stickers. And we're gonna just throw them down here. My husband. And then I do have extra like foiling bits here, as well as extra, whatchamacallit, like, okay, functionals. Let me just check to make sure that's it. Oh, yeah. And then it is my mom and dad's. This will be the 3rd year without my dad for their anniversary, but that's okay. We're just gonna put it down anyways, because I love them. But anyway, this is how our week for next week is going to turn out. Like I said, we'll do our meal on Sundays. So on the 16th, we'll put down our meals, and then I will go through and fill in my workouts. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.